from us. That's from me and Charlie.
Okay.
I'm going to need these for dog food. Thank you.
You're welcome, Grandma.
I'll try to do one.
You are.
Another picture frame.
Oh, cool.
Big sister, little sister.
So I can put me and Crystal all in here.
Would you believe it?
Yeah, you're a big sister to Terry and Jessica.
Terry.
So I can put Crystal inside. Big sister, little sister, and then a sister to think about big sisters and little sisters.
So you're the older sister.
I'm a big sister and a little sister. Therefore, I can put all my sisters in.
Hey, yeah, try wrapping that.
For Terry and Katie.
So I like the basket too.
Yeah, listen, I love those kind of things.
I think that one might be for both of y'all,
Oh, yeah.
but I'm not 100%. I hope it is.
Charlie, there's a monster back there. Is this one?
I'm sorry, but you two raked it in this year.
What do you mean?
We always just.
Yeah, that one's for both of y'all.
This is the top.
Take a little picnic back.
Wow, this is a
Open eggs. Open eggs.
That is nice.
Crystal, look for more. You see it moving?
Thanks, Joe.
You're welcome.
Ow. Look, you got all your faces eyes.
It's the same thing as Jennifer's. That big sister, little sister picture frame.
You got two clocks? Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. See? Yeah. Oh, yeah, the picture moves. Yeah. That is so pretty. Look at that thing.
That's all right.
I'm losing my fingernail. No, I'm losing it. The whole thing.
How do you know?
The thing is not that big.
Just wrap it up because the nail will grow up and it'll fix the crap up.
And Kyle.
That's mine.
What are you guys trying to say, huh? Huh? What are you guys
That you stank.
Oh, there's the basket.
That is pretty.
Oh, this is nice, Crystal.
Oh yeah, you like it? And then you don't have to burn the candles. You can just set them in there and it'll warm them up.
Huh?
There's another piece to it.
This is for beverages, too.
I guess you could use it, but
That's what it says.
Put it in
Is
there.
it really? I didn't know that. I know like you can put a Bodas in there. Like in that other cup, there's a cup that comes with it.
Right.
And you can put it in there instead of like lighting up the candle, you can just, it'll warm it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like that.
Oh, Charlie.
Oh, instead of lighting it up. Right. And I thought maybe you would like that, you know.
Thank you, Crystal and Charlie.
It's a journey.
Thank you, Crystal and Charlie.
You're welcome. Well, yeah, I guess you could too later. Uh-huh.
Crystal and Charlie. Oh, take her back. Thanks, Crystal. Thank you, Charlie.
You're welcome.
No, that's
Or you could just leave your coffee cup on there instead of leaving it so it'll stay warm. Yeah. You like it?
Yes. Now you have a big one and a little one. Thank you.
Yeah, you guys are going to sit down for a little while.
Gotta catch up on all theirs.
Oh my God.
It's the genie clock. It's the genie lamp.